In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a restaurant gift card on Uber Eats. To get started, open the Uber Eats app on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure the restaurant you plan to order from actually allows gift card payments through Uber Eats. This is important because not every restaurant gift card can be used directly in the app, even if that restaurant appears on Uber Eats. After that, browse the restaurant's menu as you normally would and add the items you want to your cart. Take your time here and double check your selections, quantities, and any customizations so everything looks right before you move on. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, review the available payment methods carefully. If the restaurant gift card is supported, you should see an option like Add Gift Card or Gift Card Payment. Go ahead and select that option. Then enter the gift card number, and if the card requires it, enter the PIN as well. Make sure you type the details exactly as they appear on the card to avoid errors. Next, apply the gift card to your order. After it's added, verify that the gift card balance has actually been applied to the total. This step matters because you want to make sure the discount or balance is reflected before you place the order. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, add another payment method for the remaining balance. That way, your order can still go through without any interruption. Before completing the purchase, review the delivery fees, taxes, and tip. These extra charges can affect how much of the gift card balance is used, so it's a good idea to confirm the final payment breakdown. Once everything looks correct, tap Place Order. After that, wait for the order confirmation in the app. When the order is accepted, you'll be able to track it directly through Uber Eats and follow its progress in real time. This helps you know when the restaurant is preparing the food, when the driver is on the way, and when to expect your delivery. Finally, receive your delivery and, once the order is complete, check whether there is any remaining balance left on your gift card for future orders. Keeping an eye on the leftover balance can make your next checkout faster and easier, and that's how to use a restaurant gift card on Uber Eats.